It's October 27th, and I'm still painting plastic. We came back from our cruise. We've been working on the trailer for a couple of days now. We've pulled out some of the flooring, and it looks like we're going to be able to reuse some of the foam in smaller areas. I'm busy scraping off goo over here. In the trailer, Cory is currently documenting the electric, because as the floor comes out and then goes back in, the rewiring will begin. Also, the pipe to the propane had come off, drug on the ground, and welded itself closed. So we're going to need to put in one of those. He's thinking of maybe going with a different type, though, a more modern. You can see here he has put in some brackets. We've been hanging on to these brackets for 10 years, maybe? A lot of the crates came in, and when we took apart the crates, we kept the hardware instead of throwing it away. Yeah, we've got these brackets that will help with the flooring. What else, honey?
Rust treating the frame, and then I need to clean all the rust converter off and start high solids painting those.
Start taking out the windows, rebuilding the walls. It doesn't seem like a lot, but we've only been back from the cruise for 2 days. We got back on Thursday. We had Friday and Saturday, and then today, this morning. Getting a little bit done, at least. It's overwhelming sometimes, but... Oh, and I put in another table in here for all the tools, because yesterday you couldn't even walk on the floor to come in, and he was having to shove stuff out of the way to be able to pull up the floor that he wanted to pull up. So, yeah, I started organizing things again and cleaning so that we can work where we need to work.